Hello, good evening to my viewers. I wish can take you out for a date. Yeah, you can take me naman because I'm single. You can take me. Take me at the date now. Mm-hmm. Hello to my viewers. Good evening. I don't have viewers. Okay, it's okay. So, nasa 34 minutes pa lang ako nag-live. So, what to do? You can ask me. You can ask me, guys, if you want to know something about me. Hello. No one is watching now. Maybe I can sleep na here. Ito po. Nakarap sa akin yung camera. No, not to ano. Hello to my viewers. Good evening. I have viewers now. 3 viewers now. OMG. It's evening here. It's 10 o'clock. 10:03 p.m. here in Philippines. Sleeping time. Maybe ano na mga 10:30. Can sleep or 10 something. Hello. Hello. Hello to my viewers who are there ba? I have viewers. I don't have viewers, guys. Maybe I'm going to sleep now because no one is watching. Hello. Good evening, good night. Naman, good night na lang. Ganun. Pag lang ganun. Ano ba yun?